Here are some air conditioners at a donut place. Here is a Ruud unit. I think it's a Ruud. It's got a low ambient kit. This is from 2015 and it's a 5-ton. And judging by there not being very many snow on it, I'd say it probably has been running. And over here we got a Daikin unit. Kind of scared this one's gonna turn on and scare me, but here's a Daikin unit. It's disconnected. This unit may have replaced it. Yeah, it's a Ruud. There's the data for that unit. And then there's a LG mini split right there, which I don't really feel like getting the data on, but pretty sure it's not running. Yeah, here's another close-up on this ream. Actually, you know what? There is snow on it, so right there, so it may have not been running. Oh wait, no, this one's disconnected too. Is it? Yeah, it is disconnected. Never mind. Maybe it's on service. Not sure what's up with that, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.